What is a home warranty company? Home systems and appliances malfunction all the time. Repair can be costly, and homeowners insurance rarely covers it. For homeowners looking for convenient, affordable ways to protect their homes, home warranty plans are an effective solution. A home warranty is a service contract to maintain and repair home equipment. A home warranty company, such as Liberty Home Guard, issues these contracts and manages a homeowner's claim when service is required. How much does a home warranty cost? A home warranty has two main costs. First is the premium, or the fixed amount you pay each year. The average premium is between $300 and $600 per year. The second main expense is the service fee. This is usually between $75 and $150. Think of the service fee as a copay. It's due only when you submit a claim. There are other costs to consider, such as coverage limits. These are caps on the amount your plan will pay within a certain period of time. How do home warranties differ from extended warranties or service contracts? A home warranty and extended warranty operate on similar principle. An extended warranty prolongs the appliance's coverage when the manufacturer's warranty expires. Just as with a home warranty, you are paying to insure against the risk of expensive repair. The main difference between a home warranty and extended warranty is the scope of coverage. While an extended warranty covers a single appliance, a home warranty from Liberty Home Guard can cover virtually anything. Kitchen appliances, electronics, generators, you name it. How to choose a home warranty company. When shopping for a home warranty, discuss with your potential provider all possible costs and the different items and circumstances the plan will cover. Also, the best home warranty company for you should be flexible. Your policy should provide coverage only for the items that need it. Compare home warranty companies by reading impartial reviews online. And remember, the goal is to spend less on warranty costs than you would have spent on home repair. Finally, the Liberty Home Guard team can find you a warranty that awards savings, convenience, and peace of mind. We started Liberty Home Guard to improve the home warranty experience for homeowners across America, and we work daily to provide information on warranties and home maintenance so homeowners can make informed choices. Reach out through our website or call 866-748-2399. Visit our website at libertyhomeguard.com.